Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook the perfect rice. First, selecting the correct rice type is crucial for your desired outcome. For fluffy, separate grains, opt for long grain varieties like basmati or jasmine. If you prefer a stickier texture, short grain rice is ideal. Once selected, rinse your rice under cold running water for about 1 minute or until the water is completely clear. This simple step removes excess starch, ensuring your rice is never gummy. Achieving the perfect texture hinges on the correct water-to-rice ratio. A general guideline is to use 1 3/4 cups of water for every 1 cup of uncooked rice. This ratio works well for most white rice varieties. Don't forget to season your water with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt per cup of rice. It truly elevates the flavor. For an even richer taste, a small pat of butter or a teaspoon of oil can be added before cooking. Now, let's cook. Bring your rice and water mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it starts boiling, reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 15 minutes. It's very important not to lift the lid or stir the rice during this time, as this releases steam and disrupts the cooking process, leading to unevenly cooked grains. The final, crucial step for perfect rice is resting. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are complete, remove the pot from the heat but keep the lid on. Let the rice rest, undisturbed, for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to evenly redistribute, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked and fluffy. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving to separate the grains and release any remaining steam. Enjoy your perfectly cooked rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.